playgroup. On virtual playgroup, we've been talking a lot about going for walks and collecting treasures. So I'm gonna get my puppy dog while the sun's come out, and we're gonna go for a walk and find some things that maybe we could turn into some art and craft. Come with me, come on. Here is the land, here is the sky. Here are my friends, and here am I. I'd like to thank the traditional owners of the land on which we go for our walk today, and pay our respects to elders past, present, and those that are emerging. I've got my bag, I've got my puppy. Let's go see what we can find. All right, I think I want this big stick. This one's a good one. All right, here's some green leaves. They're very bright. I like those, I'm gonna take those. Have you ever seen spider webs in a tree like this? We know birds and possums live in trees, but so do little bugs and spiders. Look at that. Very clever. A pine cone. Half a pine cone. Very bumpy. Very cool. There's the inside of it. Lexi found a yellow flower. Good girl. Good girl. And remember to wear your gumboots so you can walk in all the puddles. It's been pretty wet. Okay, we're back inside now. What did we get? We got a big stick. It's a really long one. We found a little bit of a pine cone. That's cool, I like that. The red, orangey, bumpy leaf. And my green leaf. Looks like a tree. This cool stick with some moss on it. And the yellow flower that Lexi found. Now, I think I'm going to make a decoration that I can hang up in my house. So I've got some paint. Do you have paint at your house? I chose blue, green, and pink. And I'm going to paint my big long stick first. I wonder if you've got some paint at home. If you don't have paint at your house, that's okay. You could use some paper and stick it on your stick. Or you might come up with a completely different thing to make out of all your treasures that you find. This is just my idea, but you probably have some great ideas too. There's some green, and I want some pink on the end too. Some pink. My favourite colours are blue and pink. What colours do you like? Rainbow colours? I know my little boy loves all the colours of the rainbow. Lots of colours. Can you see that? Wowee! Very long. I'm gonna let that dry, okay? See you back in a minute. I'm back and my stick is dry, and now I'm going to attach my treasures to it and we can hang it up. I found some wool. Got green, orange and blue. If you don't have wool, you might have string or bits of paper. Who knows? I'm going to cut some bits. You have to be careful with scissors. Very careful. And I'm going to tie it onto my stick here. This way. Tie it on. I might wrap my stick in some wool too. I think that would be good. And maybe some orange. Very careful. Now when you make things at your house from the treasures that you find when you go for a walk, can you show us? you can show us. You can show us when we do our online play group. You can show us what you've made. And you can show Barbie or Yowan or Ash or me. We'd love to see it. Maybe your brothers and sisters, or your dad, or your auntie. They might do some artwork with you. Now I need to attach my treasures. I need to tie some knots. Knots can be a bit tricky. So you might need a little bit of help. That's okay. If you need help, you ask for help. This cool stick here with the moss on it. It feels squishy. It's a bit squishy. Tie that one on. And here it is. Here's what we made with all the things that we found on our walk. Our leaves and flowers, sticks, and a pine cone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and we can't wait to see what you can make with the things that you find on your walk. See you soon, friends.